The high proportion of gun violence in the US has resulted in scenes of agony and horror becoming all too familiar. As I'm recording this video, there has been 40 mass shootings, killing at least 70 people across the country in just the first month of 2023. That's the highest number on record, as reported by the Gun Violence Archive and CBS. The recent mass shooting in Monterey Park, California, is a tragic reminder of the devastating effects of gun violence. Our hearts go out to the victims and their families. The numbers don't lie. States with stricter gun laws have significantly lower rates of gun violence. It's time for our leaders to take action and implement common sense measures such as universal background checks, red flag laws, and a ban on assault weapons. It's not about taking away your Second Amendment rights, but we must come together and demand change for the safety of our communities. I'm DJ with the Inspire Me Project NYC, and thanks for watching.